Hello French viewers, hello our dear students from Top Français community. I trust you're doing well. It's another week to improve your French, to practice with your speaking partner. Come to the speaking class on Saturday and show us what you got. So this week we'll be talking about the weather in French. La météo, the weather in French. How do you say it's going to rain? How do you talk about the snow? How do you talk about being cloudy? Talk about it's hot, it's cold. That is the conversation between me and Mr. Jeremiah today en français. So this is what is going to happen. We're going to be having a conversation in French. Right, Mr. Jeremiah, tu es prêt?
Oui, je suis prêt.
Okay, très bien, il est prêt. So we're having a conversation in French. All right, I'm going to take one part, it's going to take the other part. And this is how we want you to practice with your speaking partner, right? Confidently. And you know what? We're going to take it slowly, petit à petit, right? Little by little. We're going to say the sentences slowly and calmly so you get it. Listen to the pronunciation and practice with your speaking partner, then get to present on Saturday. Salut, comment ça va?
Salut, ça va bien et toi?
Ça va. Il fait froid aujourd'hui, non?
Oui, très froid. Il fait 5 degrés ce matin.
Oh, est-ce que tu penses qu'il va neiger aujourd'hui?
Je ne sais pas. Peut-être demain.
Oh, j'aime la neige, mais pas le froid.
Ah oui, la neige, c'est très joli, mais je préfère l'été.
Oh, l'été, il fait chaud et on peut aller à la plage.
Exactement. Vivement les vacances.
Vivement les vacances.
Oui.
All right, so that is the first conversation between me and Monsieur Jeremiah. So now we're going to go again, but we're going to go really slowly now so they can get our pronunciation and also get to practice with their speaking partner. And after that, we could just tell them how to say it's rainy, it's sunny, it's cloudy in French, right? And then that will be all for today. So let's go again slowly, doucement. All right. Salut, comment ça va?
Salut, ça va bien et toi?
Très bien. Il fait froid aujourd'hui, non?
Oui, très froid. Il fait 5 degrés ce matin.
J'aime la neige, mais pas le froid.
Oui, la neige, c'est très joli, mais je préfère l'été.
Oh, l'été, il fait chaud et on peut aller à la plage.
Exactement. Vivement les vacances.
Vivement les vacances. All right, very good. So I'm sure you can see the subtitle as you are watching it both in French and English. So that is going to help you know the pronunciation, know the French part of it, and also know the meaning of what you're saying en anglais in English. So now we're going to go one more time to tell you about the weather in French. So how do we tell them it is snowy in French?
You say il neige.
Il neige. Okay. Always say il est neigeux. Il est neigeux. So now talking about the weather in French. Mr. Jeremiah, what's the weather in French?
You can say le temps.
Le temps, or you can say la météo. La météo. So now Mr. Jeremiah, how do we tell our dear French learners it is raining?
Il pleut.
Il pleut. Il pleut. It is raining. So how do we tell them it is snowy?
Il est neigeux.
Il est neigeux. And how do we tell them it is cloudy?
Il est nuageux.
Nuageux. And how do you say the weather is nice?
Il fait beau.
Il fait beau. The weather is cold.
Il fait froid.
Il fait froid. And the weather is hot.
Il fait chaud.
Il fait chaud. So please, this will be all for today's class. This is your speaking class for this week. Practice the conversation I am Mr. Jeremiah did, and then also learn how to talk about the weather in French. See you in the next speaking class. Bisous, bisous. Au revoir. Bientôt.